How to reset your Outlook password. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can reset your Outlook account's password. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. To reset your Outlook password, what you do is you go ahead and first of all, open your browser. Then go to outlook.com, which will take you to Microsoft's website. From there, tap the sign in button and tap on continue to sign in. Once you've done that, if you had remembered your email address, first you enter your Outlook email right here, then you tap on next. And if you had remembered your password, you'd be able to log in. But since you don't, to reset your password, tap on the forgot your password button that you can see there. It will ask you to enter the code sent to your authenticator app, but if you don't have that, select use different verification option. I will instead choose my recovery email and I'll just type in the email address for which I have the access to. So this is my recovery email. Yours could be a phone number or the authenticator app, totally dependent upon you. Then tap on the get code button. Now enter the code that will be sent to your mail. Check your email to see if you have received any sort of verification code. As you can see, I've received it. So I can just copy the code, come back and paste the code. Tap on next. Then you can see finally it will ask me to type in and choose a new password without having to remember my old password. This is the way on how I can reset Outlook password. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.